What's up, everybody? CJ here at Viewrail for day number 525,600 of the stay-at-home DIY series. Just kidding, we're at day number 9. But for those of you who tuned in yesterday, we went live for our very first ever live install series for the express cable railing. We're going to be going live again today, so stay tuned. We're going to be going live for the installation of our express corner post and what it looks like to run your cables through the tensioning. For those of you who did tune in yesterday, this is not new. We have our very first run done. So this is what it's looking like to have the first run of express cable done from end post to end post. Today we're going to be tackling end post to corner post and corner post to end post. So stay tuned as we bring you live content and continue to show you what it looks like to install your express cable railing system. And as always, stay home, stay healthy, stay tuned.